everyone who owns paper squishies. Your least favorite squishy? Your favorite squishy? Slow rising squishy? Your most detailed squishy? The most proud of squishy? The plainest squishy? Your smallest squishy? The weirdest squishy? The ugliest squishy? The squishy that failed? The one that took hardest to tape squishy? The one that looks nothing what it looks like squishy? And your cutest squishy.
Makeup, bathe in my perfume. Quick shower won't take too long. I'll be done just